Black fashion-forward cowboy boots are taking men's fashion by storm. From runways to street style, these boots are transforming outfits and turning heads. In a world where fashion constantly evolves, certain pieces remain timeless. Today we are talking about one such piece that has made a powerful comeback, black cowboy boots. वैसे तो काउबॉय बूट्स हमेशा से रगिडनेस और अमेरिकाना का सिंबल रहे हैं, बट रिसेंटली दे हैव गॉन थ्रू ए chic transformation. Designers are reimagining these classic cowboy boots with a modern twist, making them a must-have for any fashion-forward wardrobe. But what's the secret of this trend and why this should be in your rack right now? To know more about this, we need to explore these boots. Let's dive into their specifications. First of all, just look at their shape. Absolutely phenomenal. This is where traditional heritage meets modern flair. At first glance, they exude a sense of authority and style. लेकिन इन boots में जो दिख रहा है, असल में उससे कहीं ज्यादा है. Let's break down why these boots are not just a trend but a staple for every man's wardrobe. Starting with the stunning toe shape, these boots features a square-shaped pointed toe. Boots में toe की ये shape ना सिर्फ एक edge provide करती है, but in fact it elongates your frame, making you appear more taller and refined. Again, this pointed square shape adds a sleek look, making it beyond comparison. Next, let's check out the unique buckle design. This is not just for show, it is a signature detail that sets these boots apart. And it feels like कि boots की ये डिजाइनिंग कुछ सेंट लोरेन के काउबॉय boots से कॉपी की गई है. Anyway, this metal accent add a touch of rugged elegance, making a statement without saying a word. It is not the traditional Western style, but with a sleek, minimalistic twist that makes it perfect for today's fashion-forward man. Now, if you take a look at their heels, you will find them slightly higher compared to other normal boots. अब ये high heels boots के डिजाइन को तो क्लासी बना ही रही हैं, but इन्हें पहनने के बाद ये आपकी हाइट को भी 1.5 से 2 इंच तक बढ़ा देंगी. बूट्स को आसानी से पहनने के लिए साइड में चेन भी दी गई है, which is properly covered by the same material to maintain their premiumness. Now let's talk versatility. These boots are incredibly adaptable. From a casual day out to a smart semi-formal gathering, these boots fit seamlessly into any scenario. Pair them with a sleek pair of black jeans and a leather jacket for that effortlessly cool rockstar vibe. Or for a more polished look, try them with tailored trousers and a crisp shirt. And if you are feeling bold, you can even pull them off with a suit. Because they are not just footwear, they are a style statement. These days, people are styling cowboy boots with their n number of outfits, but where did it all begin? और क्या ये सिर्फ एक फैशन ट्रेंड है जो कुछ टाइम बाद खत्म हो जाएगा? Look, the cowboy boots have a rich history rooted in the ruggedness of the American West. Originally designed for practicality, protecting cowboys' feet during long rides, these boots have evolved over the decades, maintaining their iconic status while adapting to modern fashion trends. Today, cowboy boots are celebrated not just for their functionality but for their undeniable style and cultural significance. We are seeing a lot of experimentations with materials, textures and embellishments. But now the question is, can cowboy boots be a long-term fashion investment? Well, it depends on their designs. For example, designs like these will only stay in trend for a short time. Also, this typical cowboy boots design can be a bit tricky to style and somewhat hard to pull off even in tier 1 cities. लेकिन जिस तरह के काउबॉय बूट्स मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, उनके मिनिमलिस्टिक डिजाइन और हाई वर्सेटिलिटी की वजह से they can be a perfect choice for long-term fashion investment. These are the kind of boots that combine tradition with modern style. They are bold and undeniably chic, a perfect addition to any man's wardrobe. So if you are ready to make a statement, these boots are your answer. That's all for today. I will see you soon. Goodbye.